Hello to all you Technivores. I am Technivorous, and today I am going to show you something that is near and dear to my heart. I've been working on it for a little while, kind of trying to bring out some of the little subtleties that I think will have an impact on how I actually use this software. So today we're going to be taking a look at Cura, and this is my own personal theme for Cura. Now, you can download this file. All you have to do is move it to your themes folder inside your Cura/resources folder. And once you do that, you will be able to find it up here. You go to configure Cura, and then under themes, it's right here, Technivorous Cura. And one of the things that I think is my favorite about this is the red around the build plate. It's no longer grayed out. You can now tell that that is obviously a no print zone. And you can see that it adjusts as I adjust my adhesion settings. So with the raft turned on, these are the areas I get that are problem areas that I won't be able to utilize because of my adhesion size. So thought that was pretty cool. Also, you'll notice I changed the color of the build volume itself, as well as some minor details on the build plate. Nothing major there, but the overhangs are now orange. That glaring red color I thought was a little bit too blunt. Kind of made you think that maybe it wouldn't print at all. So we made another minor adjustment there. One of the other things I did, we'll slice this model real quick. And while we're looking around, you can see that a lot of this stuff is actually modified. So mostly this is just a color thing. And obviously it is very much aesthetic. But I do find that to be very functional. And the pretty purple outline is pretty, of course. Now that it's sliced, though, there are a couple other functional things that I did to the color in here, such as the support color I changed and the support interface color, as well as the skin color. You can now tell the difference between a skin and a shell a little bit easier. And that is the preview mode. I think the color scheme is working pretty well. I do like the dark theme that we got going on here, so this is not bad at all. And then you also have the X-ray mode, which I am a fan of as well. I think I like this color a little bit better than the generic blue color that they used, and I am pretty pleased with how things have come out. So that's basically it. Let me show you real quick where to put this. So you'll get a folder just like this when you download, and I am inside program files and my latest version of Cura, and then resources and themes. In here you just drag and drop that folder. It might ask you for administrator permission. If it does, go ahead and grant it. There is no actual software or code in here. It is all just a JSON file, basically, with the color settings in it. So it's not going to affect the performance of Cura one bit. But I do think that these handy little tricks, such as redding out the sides of the build plate you can't use, are an advantage. So feel free to check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. I really enjoyed playing around with this, and I have a couple more tweaks to make, so expect to see an update to this theme in the future. And if you have any suggestions for cool themes or ideas that might make some of these settings pop a little bit more, go ahead and leave those comments down below as well. And that's going to be it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. If you'd like to become a Technivore, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And YouTube's suggesting a video for you right here. And there's a playlist right here that's just 3D printing stuff. Also, if you'd like to see your name up top with the rest of my Patreon supporters, head over to www.patreon.com/Technivorous. There, YouTube can contribute to the channel and make the Technivorous channel even better.